Not everyone who has considered selling their home has a for sale sign in their front yard, right? So the question then becomes, how do you get those people who have been contemplating a sale to take that next step and open the door to a conversation with you? Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Distinctive Agent Show. We all know that marketing and prospecting are geared toward nurturing a homeowner and being top of mind when they finally make that decision to list their house. However, in this current market of low inventory, you really don't have the luxury of nurturing. You must get proactive to generate listings now. So, pay close attention, folks, because I'm about to give you 2 hacks to help you generate listings now. Most of you are probably working with buyers, so the first hack is leverage your buyer. If you've got a buyer who has lost out on several homes but is pre-qualified and motivated, capitalize on that asset. First off, identify the specific neighborhood where they want to buy. The more specific you can be, the better. Next, write a letter to all the homeowners in that neighborhood. Here's what it should say. Get ready to take some notes. Hello, neighbor. I'm representing a client interested in buying your home. Be as specific as possible about the desired property type here, number of bedrooms, location, etc. They're approved by their lender and they recently lost out on a home they really wanted to buy. They desperately want to live in your neighborhood. We have identified your property as the ideal home for them. Would you consider a one-day listing just to allow my client to see it? So after you've written the letter, send it to all the homes in that neighborhood in a hand-addressed and hand-stamped envelope with no real estate logos. The more you can make it look like a personal letter, invitation, or birthday card, the better. Hey guys, this method can lead to a big commission from a not-so-big marketing investment. Okay, ready for hack number 2? In today's high-tech world, sometimes a low-tech solution is exactly what works best, and this one certainly falls into that category. All it requires is your business card and a sticky note. So, you leave your business card near the front door of a home in a targeted neighborhood, along with a sticky note that simply says, "Call me about your house." There's a lot of psychology behind this method, and it is an easy no-brainer. It's quick, it's intriguing, and it will elicit calls. Call me about your house. When they call you back, here's what you say. Thanks so much for calling. I'm actually representing a buyer right now who desperately wants to live in your neighborhood. I just had to reach out and be aggressive for my client to find out, have you had any thoughts of selling? Have you had any thoughts of selling? Okay, folks, I hope these hacks help you, and I challenge you to take advantage of at least one of them. Get going, good luck, and as always, remember, be distinctive.